Magandang araw mga kabasketball. Panoodin natin ang debut game ni Drex De Los Reyes sa MPBL. Abra laban sa Sarangani. Let's go! Two points para kay Drex sa MPBL. Maganda ang pagkaka-box out niya dito para makascore. Nice move. Nagpakita naman siya ng konting footwork sa galaw na yon. Sa play naman na ito, makikita natin kung paano siya sa depensa. Yun ang maganda. Talagang hinanap niya ang kalaban para ma-box out ito. Kahit na shoot ng kalaban, kita natin ang good intention niya para makuha ang rebound. Low post. Tapon nga lang ang bola, tol. Good defense. Maganda sa kanya. Masipag siya sa depensa. Eto, humingi na nga ng low post. Yun lang. Offensive foul ka dyan, kaibigan. Isa akong napansin dito mismatch sana to kay De Los Reyes kaso hindi nabigyan. Mas malit sa kanya tong katapat niya Napaganda pa nga. Nice pass, tol. Low post ulit. Talsik na naman ang bola, tol. Isang napansin ko kay Drex, masipag siyang tumakbo. Tingnan nyo dito, pagka-rebound, takbo agad siya. Kita nyo, nasa unahan agad siya. Sinubukan niya humingi sa low post. Tapon na naman ang bola, tol. Sige, sagasa. Yan ang maganda. May dribbling skill din. Ito naman, panoorin naman natin ang iba pa niyang mga plays.
Napalakas.
Yeah.
Napalakas.
How many points has Chadi got?
8 points
8,
and
right.
4 rebounds.
Right.
Hook shot galing kay Drex De Los Reyes.
And Drex showing us his moves.
Perfect at the line. Drex De Los Reyes.
Oh yeah. And he's really dito sa Sarangani, and to be able to get here and making things difficult for Drex, pero Drex is standing his ground.
Alam mo, isa sa nagugustuhan ko at least so far in this game from Drex De Los Reyes, hindi pilit yung mga galaw.
Yeah.
Ayan, kagaya niyan, salo lang sa ilalim, although he misses point blank.
What, 3 out of 4 from the field. This is his first trip to the line. And boy, this young man has a lot of upside to him. It released just of our executives on that scene.
Parang Christmas pa din
Oo,
February na, na-extend pa rin yung Pasko
Correct.
O, ito mo si Drex De Los Reyes.
Tops for their team this season.
Shot from the outside does not work. Drex De Los Reyes, offensive rebound, umalog palabas yung putback, pero nandun.
Again, in the regular season, it's going to be far different as how you do it in the preseason. But so far as performance, again, he's going to get a solo side here against Chad. He's going to be testing that defense once again.
Drex, kick out pass, they swing it to Wilkin Lee, fires a free, it's good.
Well, you know, we talked about the Madat. Hopefully, and they have plans of elevating their bigs underneath the Drex, showing us the range.
First 3-point conversion